Tonga's landscape is a photographer's paradise, from the coral reefs of Vava'u to the volcanic vistas of Tana. Each island group offers unique visual opportunities, and the tropical light, especially during sunrise and sunset, can accentuate vibrant colors and cast dramatic shadows. To capture the essence of Tonga, understand the distinct characteristics of each island group and use the natural light to your advantage. The tropical climate of Tonga presents both challenges and opportunities for photographers. Seasonal patterns are key to planning your shoots, with the warmest months bringing tropical rains that can enhance the lush landscapes. Be adaptable to quick weather changes, protect your equipment, and schedule shoots during the early morning or late afternoon for the best light. Selecting the right camera and lenses is essential for capturing Tonga's beauty. A full-frame sensor is ideal for landscape photography, but a crop sensor camera can also suffice. Consider the weight and durability of your gear, and don't forget a sturdy tripod for sharp images. For underwater photography, ensure your camera and lenses are suitable for the conditions or invest in a waterproof housing. Employ the rule of thirds to create balanced and visually compelling images. Place points of interest at the intersections or along the lines of the grid in your viewfinder. Incorporate local flora and fauna to add depth and context to your photographs, and capture the essence of Tongan culture by engaging with locals and including traditional elements like tapa cloth and the laka laka dance in your shots. Book with a Tonga specialist at Far and Away Adventures.